And the SMC clock is this one, SMC ESTAL. So you can copy this name from the crystal. You can see the crystal. Okay, this one. Connect the power. Okay, and to the pin 1 and pin 3. Okay, now you can see the time is different. The waveform is different. Now, okay, setting that. So now you can see I setting the 100 ms. Okay, ms. Then I setting the 80 ms. PBDC in G3H, then this multiple receive the voltage, then the standby working, and the green line. You can see the 1, 2, 3. The first one, this one, the line control the standby voltage. When you see that this line is normal, so the standby voltage, and the standby working condition is normal.
Hi everyone, my name is Ibrahim Salihu. I just finished a course from Master Liu. Master Liu, thank you so much for everything you've taught me, and I really appreciate it a lot. Before now, I don't even know anything about schematics, but now I'm doing better on it. And thanks very much for the classes, for the lectures. I so much appreciate it. Kudos, Master.
3.3 G3 hot RTC EN. Okay, produce the enable. This enable and this enable. So the difference is old model. They only produce the PV bus, this one voltage, and control the charger. Okay. Charger same. Okay, this one control the charger IC, control the charger. When the PVDC in the firmware from the PMUIC, then the 20 volts PVDC G3 20 volts from the IC. Hello? Hello?
Yes.
When the PVDC G3 hard 20 volts, voltage from where? From which IC?
Sure, I need to record. T2.
Huh?
T2 will send the signal to the
this voltage when the
CD3
PVDC G3 hard 20 volts, this voltage from which IC? Understand?
Excuse me, sir.
Huh?
I need to record, sir.
From which IC?
From power IC.
Yes, from power IC. Okay, from the TPS 11980. Okay, from this IC.
Hello, I'm Johan from Indonesia. I follow the Master Liu course. After 1 month, now I understand more about the schematic on both level repair, and business is going well now because I can fix it myself. So I hope I still can increase my knowledge later. So thank you, Master. Good luck.
Charger IC, and this control the table C and the SMC. This power tree produce the voltage. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. This is a BIC. Okay. This IC control the bus. Okay. Control the bus. So in the standby, the problem is this IC. It's a power IC, okay? Power. This is a charger IC, SMC and PCH control the standby orders. Okay.